Bought a new pair of work boots from Grainger about 3 months ago. Wore them about 2 weeks. Double H brand composite toe work boots. I own 2 other pairs of double H's that are really good. One pair that's literally probably almost 30 years old. The other pair is about 7 years old and no problems at all, but I just gotta say shame on Double H for putting out a product like this. 3 months old, worn for probably 2 weeks. I mean, you can see they're not even abused. And this is what happens. Like the glue, apparently, they look like they're stitched together, but they're just glued. This one's actually starting to come apart already too. But unfortunately, I probably won't purchase another pair of Double H boots because this is the quality they're putting out there. It's a shame. I reached out to Double H directly. They told me I needed to go to Grainger. Grainger would replace these with being discontinued. They would replace them with the current Double H's that they sell that are similar. But these boots were $150. The new ones are $265. Obviously, I'm not going to buy a pair for $265 when it's the same brand and they fell apart like this, because they didn't look a whole lot different than these boots. But I just got to say shame on Double H for really reducing their quality.